Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to use sample tools. Sample tool is generally used to do sampling from your input data set. So there are certain options available in order to choose your sample or in order to do this sampling, which we will go one by one. So let me just show you the data set which I am using. So I'm using a e-sales data set. This data set I have also used in a couple of previous videos as well. So this consists of columns like date, sales rep, customer, product code, and sales, and it consists of 30 records, right? So in order to use a sampling tool or sample tool, just go to the preparation tab. From here, select sample, drag and drop it onto your canvas. It will open a pop-up window or the configuration panel. Right, and it will give you certain options to select the type of sampling you want to do you want to select the first n rows? Here you can specify the number. For example, out of 30 I want to see the or I want the output of 10 records only, right? First 10 records. So you can just put 10 here and hit run button. It will run the workflow and give you first 10 records, right? As you can see. Similarly, you can also fetch last 10 records. So again, you have to mention here the records, number of records which you want to fetch. So let's keep it 12 and hit the run button. We'll again run the workflow and fetch the last 12 records from your dataset. You can see there are 12 records displayed in this particular result panel. Next is skip first n rows. So this will basically skip the n rows. For example, if you specify here say 5, then it will skip the first 5 records and then it will give you output from 6th record till the 30th record. Let's just see the output. Right, as you can see there are 25 records present in the output or the result panel. The next is one in every n row. So here you can specify uh, one in every n row. For example, suppose out of 30 records you want one record from every 5 record, right? So at the end you want 6 record from the 5, but so that one, but every one record should be selected from the list of 5 records, next 5 records, right? So let's just see how is the output for this particular one. As you can see, there are 6 records, right? So these are chosen one record from every 5 records, right? And from second record from 6th to 10th record, third record from 11th to 15th record, and so on. Next is one in n chance to include each row. So this will randomly pick numbers. So whenever you hit run button, it will randomly pick the 5 records. So it will randomly pick the records, right? And the number will keep on changing. So right now it's 6. Next time you run, it will pick 5, and the next time you run, it will pick something else. Right now, right? So it will randomly pick one in n chance from the data set. Next is the n percentage of records. Here you can specify the percentage of record which you want. Suppose I want 10% of record, just write 10 here, hit the run button, and it will pick the 10% of the record, which is 3 right now out of 30. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.